I'm making a trailer right now, and I will show you that eventually, as soon as possible. Now, you got your power cord right here. It's a simple MIG welder. Got your grounds, and I don't think you can switch that. I know a lot of you like to do the switch it back to from positive to ground, like reverse it, because you can do a reverse, and you can do like aluminum and stuff like that. I know a lot of you like to do weird stuff with your welding equipment. Now, my other welders have the option to alter, you know, the which way it passes, if it's going to be ground or if it's going to be a positive. In this case, you know, being positive. So, but anyways, you can reverse it on other welders. I don't think this one allows you to do that. There's your power switch. There's your controls. And I think you would just pop the top. Just like this. Alright, that just slides open. This is really nice. I'm digging this already. I don't think I'm supposed to take that off. I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, let's just leave that on there. That doesn't look anything. Because let's take let's get that little thing there. Alright, there's that. Let's see, you can just kind of loosen it up. Yeah, that tightens it. Go the other way. Yeah, there it is, loose. Okay, so you should just be able to thread that in by pressing this down. Not going anywhere. Let's close that up. That's crazy. I mean, it's just one big gun. But we're gonna pull you over here and give it a shot and see how it does. Alright, let's see how bad it is. I'm just shotgunning it because it's kind of awkward every time I do these with the yeah, for what it is. See, there you have it. Something like this would be great. You got your little numbers and everything back here for, you know, adjustments. There's no numbers on here at all. It's just a dial. I just want to show you what that is. It's just a dial. And if you've welded before, you just kind of know where to put the knob. So I put it about where, you know, I've got one of these other welders over here. I'm like, I'm going to put the A right about there. I'm going to put the V right about her. And that's what I came up with, and it did fine. Not too much of a mess over there. But I am welding some pot metal together. I mean, I just want to show you that the machine works. I wanted to make sure I could get a weld and then actually, you know, have some kind of a product to show you. That's the whole point of that. Show you something that works. I don't want to sell you on something that probably won't work. But this would be a great item for a toolbox and a pickup truck, just in case. You never know. Big spool of wire, keep you going. I would just put it in something waterproof. The elements will affect this stuff. It will make it corrode. So you want to make sure you put it in something sealed up. That's why a lot of people like stick welders better. I did the stick welder video, and a lot of people like the stick welder. Hand welder it was still kind of awkward. I welded my hinges for my gates back together. I was like, what if I got project-wise I could weld together? I was like, and it's a stick welder. I just used some old farmer sticks and just and welded it up. Still holding together now. But welder's a welder. Same here. Welder's a welder. But it's tiny and really neat. But you can loosen this up a little bit and make it spool out a little bit faster. I noticed that when I was fiddling with it. That kind of helps control a little bit. I'm used to it locking to keep it from slipping. So it was the point of that. But it doesn't work like your traditional MIG welder. And it's not the same process there. So I was doing, they have something totally different than the handheld version. There's a few different phases of it, but that, I approve it. It's cool. All right. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. Please share, like, subscribe if you haven't already.